Welcome back to Adventures in the Shed. Another one in a series of self-isolation, social distancing videos where we get to catch up with some stuff that really should have been doing ages ago. This is a template made from Brian James' trailer cardboard because we had to order spares for the trailer. But this is a template for, well, can you guess what this is a template for? 3, 2, 1. That's right, it's a door card for the rear of the Subaru, where we used to have rear doors and now we don't. And so I bought from a local plastics supplier, a place in Glasgow called Stockline Plastics. We've had a few things from there actually. We do like to use local businesses to get the parts from if we can. This is a big sheet of black plastic. It was a 3 metre by 2 metre piece of plastic that I bought. And you'll notice, well, you might not notice, and you'll notice if I point the camera down, you'll notice that it is cut to the width, almost, of the door card. And so what I'm going to do is trim this bad boy and make that into some nice, simple door card panels for the Subaru. And then it'll be neat in the back rather than seeing. So at the moment you can see the exposed fiberglass on the inside of the 2-door panel where we did the conversion. So this will cover them up. That's what I'm doing. Watch this. Having done that cut down the middle, I've now got 2 pieces which are conveniently, not conveniently, by deliberate measuring, they are 2 halves which give me 2 door cards. But there's a clean edge which is the machined edge, and then there's the bit that's slightly wavy that I just did with the Stanley knife. So I'm going to use the clean edge for the top and I'll use the slightly wavy one for the bottom where you're not going to see it and it's going to be jammed up right next to the door's edge anyway, so we might have to trim it later. But that is about it. I'm going to line it up on this edge. I'm going to take the bottom one out because it will slide all over the place. And I'm going to do a bit of drawing. Now, you might notice I've got a little note here, add 0.75 centimetres. That's because my template, I cut it too shallow, so I'm going to have to add a little bit more on here. But I can do that just by leaning the pen backwards. Bet you didn't know this was going to be like the arts and crafts bungalow. So I'm still resting the pen on the edge of the cardboard so I can follow the line. And then I'll shallow it back up again. Which means that my plastic, which can be trimmed on the car, I've got a little bit of extra meat on it. Should I decide that I want to trim it a little bit more, I can do that afterwards. So that's it. Now I just need to cut that out with my Stanley knife. Welcome to the Arts and Crafts Bungalow. Alright, what do I do with my knife? Shout out if you can see my knife. It's behind you! It's on the Guinness. It's on the Guinness. That's so close to the edge, I can't make that better. I'm just going to leave that line as it is. I'll start my cut over here. Make sure if you're going to try this, you're going to use a sharp knife, by the way. And remember, you can cut more, but you can't cut less. My hand is shaking like a shitting dog, as Big Dave would say. Don't do this at home, kids. I don't know if you can see that, but it is 1 mil thick, so it doesn't have to be structural. And it's got a slightly ripply texture on the back. So there is a good side. I'm not going to put the shiny side out. I'll put the ripply side in the vehicle where it will be seen, and the smooth side can go out the back. That's my door card. Well, technically, that side is my door card with the slight texture on it. That is it. That jams down the side of the door. Actually, what I might do is we're just going to sand down the edges, because there's a couple of sharp, sort of pointy bits like this one here. I'm just going to smooth that out. So it looks factory-ish. What I will need though is a battery, Paul, you imbecile. Well, that does almost nothing, so don't bother with that. Just leave that. Yeah. Good job. I guess I'll cut another one and then let's go fit them. I swear I know what I'm doing, honest. Is it even lined up? It's fucking close enough.
Oh, look at that. It's magical.
Eyeballed it. Right, go in the fuck. Oh, yeah, there we go, alright.
Post!
Done.
One! Look at that.
Right. And I'm not even going to show anybody the second one because it's just, you know, removal is the reverse of
Start drawing the owl and then finish drawing the owl.
Yes, draw the rest of the fucking owl. Right, and this other one gets fitted like this. Done! I'm going home.
It's magic, just fits by magic.
So that's it for another episode of self-isolation shed jobs, except I'm not in a shed, I'm at Dave's. I'm ready, I'm protected, he's in a fucking dressing gown.
Man, bitches!
He is the Hugh Heffner of drifting. So Dave's been working on this car quietly while I've been working in the shed. We are maintaining sensible distance, but now I've turned up just so I can fit those side panels. That's another job that's done out of the way. However, we've just realised that, well, Dave has stripped the back brakes, and as you can see from, well, you might not be able to see, but I'll poke it in there. That wet spot there is a bad wet spot. That is the brakes which are weeping when you pull the hydraulic handbrake. It's a full drip when you pull it hard. So, new rear calipers. Fortunately, I know a man who knows how to rebuild and strip and repair rear calipers, so I'll buy another set. The problem is, they could be as much as £400 in order to replace them. So
we should point out that the reason that we're not stripping those ones is the hexes have rusted into being round and it won't unhex.
So it's new calipers time, and then once they're off the car and the car's rolling again, Dave can then take his time with servicing them and welding them and doing his thing. But it means I've got to order some more, so another call to Matt Baker. So that's it. Subaru is now got rear door cards, and I'm now going back home where it's safe. Look at that, 6 foot gap. Stay inside, make good choices, everyone. Thank you for watching, goodbye. Questions, likes, comments in the box below, and let us know what you think. They probably think we're fucking idiots. Bye.